This is Dust Bites Vacuum Cleaner. It has ultraviolet light penetrate to kill mites. I got it from online shop, delivered today. Let's open it and see what's inside it. The manual book and a brush. It comes together with extra filter. Very nice design and lightweight. Easy to dismantle and install. Let's just try it out, how it functions and usage. The ultraviolet light only activates when in touch with surface. Its vacuum power is very powerful and easy to use. I'm very satisfied with its result. Do subscribe our YouTube channel. Thanks.